In the city of Medina, there lived a man named Ali who was known for his hot temper and inability to forgive others easily. Ali had grown up witnessing his parents argue and hold grudges, which had deeply influenced his own behavior. One day, a renowned scholar named Sheikh Ahmed visited the city to deliver a lecture on the importance of forgiveness in Islam. The whole community eagerly gathered to hear his wise words. As Sheikh Ahmed spoke, he shared a powerful, real-life incident that had occurred during the time of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Years ago, in the early days of Islam, a woman named Aisha faced a heartbreaking incident. She was accused of adultery, causing immense pain and sorrow to both her and the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The accusations spread throughout the city, tarnishing Aisha's reputation. In the midst of this turmoil, a man named Mistah, who was a relative of Aisha and had received financial assistance from her family, participated in spreading the false rumors. The news reached the Prophet's ears, and he was deeply hurt by Mistah's betrayal. Upon hearing this, Ali's interest was piqued. He wondered how the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, had reacted to such a severe betrayal. Sheikh Ahmed continued his narrative, revealing the profound wisdom and compassion of the Prophet. Instead of seeking revenge or holding a grudge, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, chose forgiveness. He understood that people make mistakes and that forgiveness has the power to heal hearts and rebuild relationships. The Prophet said, "O Ali, do you know what Allah revealed to me? It was revealed to me that I should forgive those who have hurt me, and I have forgiven Mistah." Ali's heart was touched by the Prophet's forgiveness and Sheikh Ahmed's narration. He realized that harboring anger and holding grudges only caused pain and strife, while forgiveness had the power to bring about healing and peace. In that moment, Ali made a firm resolution to change his ways and embrace forgiveness. He sought out those he had quarreled with and asked for their forgiveness, making amends for the harm he had caused. From that day forward, Ali became known for his compassionate nature and ability to forgive. His transformation inspired others in the community to let go of grudges and seek forgiveness as well, creating an atmosphere of harmony and understanding. The incident shared by Sheikh Ahmed had a profound impact on Ali. Ali and the entire community, they understood that forgiveness is not a sign of weakness, but rather a manifestation of strength and compassion. The real-life incident of the Prophet Muhammad's forgiveness taught them that by letting go of anger and embracing forgiveness, they could cultivate peace, unity, and genuine connection with others, just as the Prophet had done. The moral of the story: forgiveness is a powerful virtue in Islam that has the ability to heal wounds and restore relationships. By emulating the forgiveness shown by the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, we can break the cycle of anger and grudges, fostering a community built on compassion, understanding, and harmony.